we will see how to solve linear homogeneous equations, partial differential equations with constant coefficient. This is a simple example: d cube minus 4d square d dash plus 3d into d dash square z equal to 0. To solve this, first we need to an auxiliary equation. To get an auxiliary equation, let us put d equal to m and d dash equal to 1 in this equation. Here you can see that this is d cube, so instead of d we have to write m cube minus 4 d square, so it will be m square, d dash equal to 1, no need to worry about this, plus 3 into d here, m d dash 1 and equal to 0. Okay, and this is an auxiliary equation of this partial differential equation. Friend, this is a simple, we can take m common, m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. Again m into m minus 3, m minus 1 equal to 0. These are the two factors of this equation. Look at this, then we have m equal to 0, m equal to 3, m equal to 1, 3 roots, and therefore its solution is a simple z equal to f1 of y plus 0x plus f2 of y plus 3x plus f3 of y plus x is a solution. Now look at this another example. Let us solve another example. Del 2z by del x square minus 4 into del 2z by del x del y plus 4 into del 2z by del y square equal to 0. First write it in terms of d and d dash. Del by del x equal to d, del by del y equal to d dash. Okay, now how to write this? This is a here, look at this, this is an x square, so don't worry about this, this will be directly d square minus 4. Okay, del x right here d, del y right here d dash plus 4 into del y square right here del dash square and operating on z equal to 0. Now to get auxiliary equation, replace d by m and d dash by 1, d square, so here we have m square minus 4 into d, d is present, so m d dash 1 plus 4 equal to 0. But what is this? This is an expansion of m minus 2 whole square equal to 0. There and roots are m equal to 2 times. Okay, so this equation must have two roots, but these roots are similar and roots are identical, therefore solution of this is f1 y plus 2x plus x into f2 y plus 2x is the solution of this differential equation. So you have seen how to find a solution of partial differential equation, and it is a very simple one. Thank you.
Thank you for watching video.